it's Karen, and today we're going to make a pie pumpkin in the Instant Pot. So the first thing you need to do is wash off your pie pumpkin. I'm using one that's almost 2 pounds, and the next thing you'll need to do is remove your stem. Then you will need the trivet for your Instant Pot, or you will need a steamer basket. So I'm going to put the trivet inside, and then I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Place my pie pumpkin inside, close my pot, close the vent, and we will set it to manual 15 minutes. That's all we're going to do for now. So when the pot finished, I did a quick release, and now I'm going to show you what it looks like. Basically, the skin peels right off. So all you've got left here is your pumpkin. You don't even have to peel it. So you are going to take this part and just throw it in here. Move your trivet. And then you need to cut it in half. I've let it cool off so that I can do this easily. You're going to cut it in half, and you're going to use a spoon to scoop out the inside. Or your hands, whatever works best. So I'll speed this part up and then I'll show you what's left. Okay, so now that I've gotten all of the seeds and basically the pumpkin guts out, what we have left is just what you can turn into puree. And I'm going to put it all into a bowl, and then you can use something to smash it up. You can use a mixer, or you can use a masher and turn it into puree and use it in your pie. I hope that you've enjoyed this video and that this makes your Thanksgiving pie easier to make.